Welcome to our shoulder workout series. Today, it's all about the top 8 shoulder exercises. Barbell overhead press, a classic for shoulder development, targeting front deltoids and the entire shoulder girdle. Do 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Shoulder press, similar to the barbell version but with a more natural range of motion. Targets the entire deltoid. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Lateral raises, great for targeting the side deltoids, which are crucial for achieving that broad-shouldered look. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Front raises, specifically targets the anterior deltoids. Use dumbbells, barbell, or bands. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Reverse machine shoulder press, targets rear deltoids and upper back. Sit facing machine, press overhead. Aim for 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Arnold press, named after Arnold Schwarzenegger, this variation emphasizes rotation, engaging more shoulder muscles. Do 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Shrugs, target the trapezius muscles in the upper back and shoulders. Use barbells, dumbbells, or kettlebells. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Upright rows, target shoulders and trapezius. Use barbell or dumbbells. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Achieve fitness goals with these 8 exercises. Pavanputra is not just a fitness app. It's your personal AI fitness guru, available 24/7 on WhatsApp. Imagine having a fitness expert in your pocket, offering personalized recommendations tailored to your goals.